Okay, second graders. So this week we're going to talk about elapsed time, and that simply means how much time has gone by. So the clocks in front of you have 3 o'clock in the afternoon and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And let's say, I don't know, you have soccer practice on Saturday from 3 o'clock all the way to 4 o'clock. And the question was, how long was soccer practice? That would be the kind of question that um, would be asked if we're talking about elapsed time. So there's a couple of different ways you could do it. Moms and dads may talk to you about adding and subtracting certain things. That would work. It just gets a little bit tricky when we're hovering over the midnight or noon time area. So I think that makes it sometimes a little bit trickier. What I like to do, and I unfortunately can't write on this website, what I like to do, and you've seen me do this before in other topics, but I like to make my, not loops, just my half circles. So I'm going like here to here to here. Okay, kind of like a number line. If you imagine this, if you pull apart this clock and you imagine it as a number line, okay, so all the way from 1 all the way to 12, and you kind of track the numbers like you would on the number line that are above the lockers. So from 3 all the way to 4 o'clock, how many hours it would be from 3 to 4 would be 1 hour. Okay, if it was 3 to 4:30, you're going to do the same exact thing. You have to do it with the hours first, though, and then the minutes. So from 3 to 4 is 1 hour, okay? And then from 4, so the question is 4:30. Now I'm going to show you how I would do it. So from 3 to 4 would be 1 hour, and then 1 hour 5 minutes, 1 hour 10, 1 hour 15, 20, 25, and 30. So from 3 o'clock to 4:30 would be an hour and a half. Okay, if we tried another one from 3 to 5, you could pull apart that clock again and do it that number line style. So it would be 3 to 4 is 1 hour, 4 to 5 is 2 hours. Okay, it's a tricky idea, and there's a lot of different ways that we could talk about this. If you have clocks at home, ones that you can manipulate and move around the hands, that's really helpful with this. And even if you want to draw that number line like I was just talking about, it's simply, the clock really is simply a number line that's in this circle. Okay, you're not going to be asked in second grade elapsed time between um, 4 o'clock in the afternoon all the way till 2 o'clock in the morning. We're not going to ask you that. It's going to be a little bit simpler than that. So moms and dads also have another website that can help you with that. And this week we're just going to do a couple of different activities to explore this idea. I don't want you to stress out about it. It is a little bit tricky. So if it takes you a while to get it, that is totally fine, just like in the classroom. Okay, we're going to practice it. So this is a great website that you're going to use today. And I got to move this up. There are some games that you can play down here. Oh, there it goes. The dice will switch up the time. And then if you hit question, a question will pop up. Okay. And then it tells you to set up the time to solve. So you'll have to figure out this website by hitting some of the buttons and seeing what pops up. But this is a great one. And you have used this one before. I think last week you used it. So today, explore this website. Obviously, right now you're watching this video, and then explore this website. And moms and dads can help you a bunch with this topic. Like I said, it is a tiny bit tricky, but we'll work through it step by step together. All right.